In this video, we are going to discuss Term 3, Unit 3 Chemistry in Everyday Life. Chemistry. Chemistry is a branch of science which deals with the study of particles around us. The beauty of chemistry is that it explains the property of the basic components of particles such as atoms and molecules and the effects of their combination. Chemicals. We can consider all the particles around us as chemicals. The water H2O we drink is the combination of hydrogen and oxygen. The salt NaCl we use in our kitchen is a combination of the chemicals sodium and chlorine. Even our body is made up of a lot of chemical particles. Physical change. In physical change, only the shape, size, or volume changes. The state of the matter may also change from liquid to gas or from liquid to solid. However, the substance remains chemically as it is. Chemical change. Chemical change results in the change of the substance. From the following list, which are physical changes and which are chemical changes? Breaking of a stick into two pieces is physical change and burning of a paper is a chemical change. From the following list, which are physical and which are chemical changes? Tearing paper into small pieces is a physical change and dissolving of sugar in water is a chemical change. Burning of petrol or LPG gas is a chemical change. Water boiling into water vapor is physical change. And coconut oil becoming solid during winter is also a physical change. Principal nutrients: nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium are three important nutrients among the various nutrients needed for the growth of plants. These three are called as principal nutrients. Fertilizers. Fertilizers are organic or inorganic materials that we add to the soil to provide one or more nutrients to the soil. Fertilizers given to plants can be classified into two. They are organic and inorganic fertilizers. Organic fertilizers. Fertilizers containing only plant or animal based materials or those synthesized by microorganisms are called organic fertilizers. These fertilizers can be prepared easily. This type of fertilizers are economical. Example: vermicompost and compost. Inorganic fertilizers. The fertilizers prepared by using natural elements by making them undergo chemical changes into the factories are called inorganic fertilizers. Example: urea, ammonium sulfate and superphosphate. Farmers' friends. Earthworms takes organic wastes as food and produce compost castings. So, earthworms are known as farmers' friends because of the multitude of services they provide to improve soil's health and consequently plant health. Cement. People are widely use the cement for construction of houses, dams, and bridges. The cement is manufactured by crushing of naturally occurring minerals such as lime, clay, and gypsum through milling process. Setting of cement. During the cement manufacturing process, a small amount of gypsum is added to the final grinding process. Gypsum is added to control the setting of cement. Uses of cement. Cement is used as mortar, concrete, and reinforced cement concrete. Mortar. Mortar is a paste of cement and sand mixed with water. In houses, mortar is used to bind building blocks for constructing walls, to apply coating over them, and to lay floor. Concrete. Concrete is a mixture of cement, sand, and gravel. It is used in the construction of buildings, bridges, and dams. Reinforced cement concrete. Reinforced cement concrete is a composite material by using iron mesh with cement. This is very strong and firm. It is used in the construction of dams, bridges, centering works in houses, and construction of pillars. Huge water tanks, water pipes, and drainages are built with this. Plaster of Paris. Plaster of Paris consists of fine white powder that is calcium sulfate hemihydrate. The molecular formula of plaster of Paris is CaSO4 half H2O. Plaster of Paris is also called because of its preparation from the abundant gypsum found near Paris, capital of France. Plaster of Paris is prepared by heating gypsum where it gets partially dehydrated. Uses of plaster of Paris in making blackboard chalks, in surgery for setting fractured bones, for making casts for statues and toys, and construction industry. Conclusion. Now we are going to discuss some important questions and answers from this lesson. What is chemistry? Chemistry is the branch of science which deals with the study of particles around us. What are principal nutrients? Nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium are the three important nutrients among the various nutrients needed for the growth of plants. These three are called as principal nutrients. What are fertilizers? Fertilizers are organic or inorganic materials that we add to the soil to provide one or more nutrients to the soil. What are organic fertilizers? Fertilizers containing only plant or animal based materials or those synthesized by microorganisms are called organic fertilizers. Example, vermicompost and compost. What are inorganic fertilizers? The fertilizers prepared by using natural elements by making them undergo chemical changes in the factories are called inorganic fertilizers. Example, urea, ammonium sulfate and superphosphate. Write a note on concrete. Concrete is a mixture of cement, sand and gravel. It is used in the construction of buildings, bridges and dams. Thank you. If you like this video, do like, share and subscribe.